Alright, I'll leave.
Bubbles, the figure just gone behind the wall with the black them there. Don't move, you know.
Yo, bad man, drop it, you know.
What is?
Dada, what you do, your brother?
No enough. The ask you where you know. I see the bag of question. Oh, you're most policeman.
Dada, you know you have to hold it down, right?
Police. Nah, have to worry about that, man. But you nearly fool me. Just like you. Be careful you run up on the dance, you know. Because I tell you, it just was a split second.
So I'm ask you a question. I shadow quick?
The man nah move right, brother. Me show the man a vibes. So I see a little object pass and I pray the object and the object move so fast. But in a made space, I say I know the object there, you know. And I show the man a vibes and the man a moves loose. So I have to go and watch him head back.
You know, film head hot already, you know, man. But tell me something. The object where you say, you see. You pre-say a gun bag?
Anything is possible, you know. I not too see the object, but in my head space, something alright. And we done here on the short already, so this brother here link around the community. You know what I mean?
Dada, I him new alias, a Ruko, was seen from surveillance camera.
Tongue ya, sir. What you say to me?
Yeah. Look like him a trail quick.
Yo, one thing with me, you know, my feelings never go wrong yet, you know. Yo, police, I dig off soon from the island, you know. And I know say to them for just follow the youth here, you know, start. Cha-cha, God. Yo, I have to leave Ninja to take care of my friend, you know, because I go out for a while, you know.
Dada, you know you're not officer part. A family. So one go.
We don't tell our people them say, if them see him on any camera, them for call we.
You don't have to worry yourself. I know say quicker like your brother. What have him come?
I depend on still, you know. Keep my brother safe. I make a move still in the police.
Aye. Dada. You know me have to take that.
What, this? A mad man. Remember me give you 3 already, you know. You feel like I'm gonna make that reach me again? Look carefully. What, this? Mad man. Right now, you know, legal like your friend, yeah? You can't get a Glock 40. Yeah, you know.
Come. Gun girl. Quick still down at the house? Yep. You know, say, we have to double up and looking out for him.
Yeah.
Here one. Keep an eye out. Remember me tell you, check the surveillance camera every morning, every night.
I will believe.
Late.
Yeah.
Brenny, stop pick the food I eat now.
I'm not really hungry.
You need to eat.